Ever found yourself staring at your phone, utterly bewildered by a banking issue, desperately needing to speak to a real human at your bank? You're not alone. We've all been there. Today, we're tackling a question that plagues many Commonwealth Bank customers. How can I actually contact their customer service? Let's be honest, navigating the maze of automated systems and online help pages can be incredibly frustrating. Sometimes, you just need to talk to someone. You need answers now. Whether it's a disputed transaction, a lost card, or simply a query about your account, knowing how to quickly reach ComBank's customer service is crucial. Before we dive into the contact methods, let's briefly acknowledge why reaching customer service can sometimes feel like a challenge. Banks handle millions of transactions and customer interactions daily. To manage this volume, they often employ automated systems and online resources to handle common queries efficiently. This is designed to save time for both the customer and the bank. However, these systems don't always cater to unique or urgent situations, which is where direct contact becomes essential. So, how do you bypass the robots and get a real person on the line, or receive the support you need? Let's explore the various ways to contact Commonwealth Bank's customer service, starting with the most common and arguably most efficient method, phone calls. ComBank offers dedicated phone lines for various needs, ensuring you're directed to the right team. The most important number to remember is their general inquiries line. This number is usually available 24/7 for urgent matters like reporting lost or stolen cards or suspected fraud. It's always a good idea to have this number saved in your phone. You can easily find it on the official Commonwealth Bank website. When you call, be prepared to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to protect your account. You might be asked for your customer number, date of birth, or other personal details. Having these readily available will streamline the process. Now, navigating the phone menu system can be a bit tricky. Listen carefully to the options presented and select the one that best matches your query. If you're unsure, selecting the other inquiries or speak to an operator option is usually a safe bet. Be patient, as wait times can vary depending on call volume. Beyond the general inquiries line, ComBank also offers specific phone numbers for different departments, such as home loans, credit cards, and business banking. These numbers are usually available during business hours and can connect you directly with specialists in those areas. Check the ComBank website for these specific numbers. While phone calls offer immediate assistance, they aren't always the most convenient option, especially if you're on the go or prefer written communication. This is where online channels come into play. ComBank's website offers a comprehensive help section with FAQs, tutorials, and online forms. This is a great resource for finding answers to common questions without needing to contact customer service directly. Before picking up the phone, it's always worth checking the website to see if your query can be resolved there. Another valuable online resource is the ComBank app. The app allows you to manage your accounts, make transactions, and access support features. Within the app, you'll often find a secure messaging system that allows you to communicate with customer service representatives. This is a convenient way to ask questions, provide documentation, and track the progress of your inquiries. The app's messaging system offers several advantages. It allows you to communicate at your own pace, without the need to wait on hold. You also have a written record of your conversations, which can be useful for future reference. In addition to the app and website, ComBank also maintains a presence on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. While these platforms aren't typically used for handling sensitive account information, they can be useful for general inquiries and feedback. You can often get quick responses to simple questions or be directed to the appropriate support channels. It's important to note that when using social media, you should never share personal account details publicly. Keep your interactions general and avoid discussing sensitive information in public posts or comments. Now, let's talk about visiting a branch. While online and phone channels are often the most efficient, sometimes a face-to-face interaction is necessary. CommBank has a network of branches across the country, offering in-person assistance for a variety of banking needs. Visiting a branch can be particularly helpful for complex issues that require detailed explanations or documentation. You can speak directly with a bank representative, get personalized advice, and have documents processed in person. Before visiting a branch, it's a good idea to check the branch's opening hours and any specific services offered. Some branches may specialize in certain areas, such as business banking or home loans. Finally, let's quickly touch on written correspondence. While less common in today's digital age, you can still contact CommBank via mail. This method is generally used for formal complaints or legal matters. If you choose to contact CommBank by mail, be sure to include all relevant information, such as your account number, contact details, and a clear explanation of your query. Keep a copy of your letter for your records. So, to recap, there are multiple ways to contact Commonwealth Bank's customer service: phone calls, the CommBank website and app, social media, branch visits, and written correspondence. The best method for you will depend on the nature of your query, your personal preferences, and the urgency of the situation. For urgent matters like reporting lost or stolen cards or suspected fraud, a phone call is usually the quickest and most effective option. For general inquiries and non-urgent matters, the website, app, or social media channels can be convenient alternatives. For complex issues requiring detailed explanations or documentation, a branch visit may be the best approach. Remember to always be prepared to verify your identity when contacting customer service. This is a crucial security measure to protect your account. Also, be patient and respectful when interacting with customer service representatives. They are there to help you, and a polite and clear explanation of your issue will facilitate a smoother resolution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.